Best regards, my name is Andrés Tovar. In this video, I'm going to talk about a travel experience. Last end of the past year, I went to Onda Tolima. I stayed there 4 days and went with my dad and my sister. I liked it because we shared family time, more exactly with my grandfather. The city is very cozy. Whereby it's a good destination to travel. I came back on January 2. I started working the next day. I was very happy during the trip and I hope to return very soon. Recommendations. Now I am going to give you some recommendations of places to visit in this city. In Onda, people should visit the Magdalena River Museum. In this city, people should not neglect children as there are dangerous breaches and accidents may occur. Tips. And finally, I will give you some tips to go on a trip. You must verify that your documentation is complete to avoid inconvenience. You should not carry unnecessary things. Remember that there are baggage limits and you should not exceed them. You must buy tickets in advance to avoid delays at the time of travel. You must not leave purchases for the last moment. You must bring enough money for the trip. You should not buy your things in unauthorized sites. Cordially, I invite you to visit this city. It is an ideal destination for people who like the ancient culture since there are very interesting places to visit. And, and an important aspect to note is that it is close to Bogota and is a destination that can be traveled with little money. Thank you.